D reverse lights. These are in the 3157 configuration, and they are, since 2003, the global leading brand of automotive light. Not lights, not lighting. Okay. It's a Chinese brand, what do you expect? Never even heard of D-LUMINA. I've heard of Morimoto GTR, Diode Dynamics, all sorts of brands. Never heard of D-LUMINA. So let's get these out the box. And straight out the gate, they do have a heat sink on them, which is a good sign. As you can see, they are a push fitting. So this rubber grommet, I would assume, comes off. You stick this in your reverse light, and then you plug this in here, then this just slips in. They look okay. Rather small chips, but I mean a very focused beam. I don't know. Guess we'll just have to throw them into the truck and see how they perform. And yes, it does come with two, if you were curious. I mean, I'm pretty sure that was shown. But yeah, let's throw these in the truck, see how they do. I do like the design of them, but I mean, they're gonna be in a lens. They don't need to be super fancy, but props on the design. I don't mind it. Looks like it does have copper here, which is gonna help with cooling, so I would assume these are gonna be fairly bright. Okay, so I was wrong about these bulbs. You can't take this collar off. As it turns out, these just push right on. This. And now they're on. Okay, let's test them. So here's the LED, and here's the halogen. So on these Dodge Dakotas, it's just a T20, and all you're gonna do is take this. If it's a little tight, I have to use the big end. I'm gonna need to use both hands. Oh, come on. Yeah, I'm gonna have to use both hands. Okay, with that off, all you're gonna do is just twist these off. Now, if this bulb has been on for any bit of time, this will be hot. Don't touch it. Let it air out. And again, take your bulb. Just fit it on like this. And connect it up and put your screws back in, and that's it. I do have my suspicions that these air holes are going to be our failure point. Any water that gets in there might get on the LED. I don't think these ones are waterproof, so I'll keep you updated. And if these don't work, these things are polarity specific. Just take them back out and flip them 190 degrees. Then plug it back in and these lights should work. So I do already have a complaint about these lights, and this is super picky of me, but this is just me. I don't like a light with that whole split look. I'll highlight it here. That look drives me insane, but they do appear fairly bright. But this is already noteworthy. I have already noticed that there's some moisture buildup in these taillights, and that's no good. So we're going to dry them out, and we are going to silicone them in order to see how long we can make them last. Okay, so this is without reverse lights. Oh yeah, those are bright. We're in a well-lit area, and I can still see them on the ground. That's actually insane. All right, let's try backing up with these. Yeah, I can see just fine. I mean, we are in a well-lit area, but it does make quite a difference having bright reverse lights. It kind of helps complete the look of your vehicle. So far, I really like these. check this out. The one's already failing. So, just got home here from the car wash, and it has not gotten better. It's actually lost even more brightness. It's barely on. Like, my running lights are brighter than those reverse lights. That's sad. These reverse lights, I'm gonna say, don't go for them. Seriously, do not go for these reverse lights. Like, I think they're being overdriven. I think they're like, they spread the light fine. But my problem is that these lights do not hold up to what I thought they would. That is so sad. Well, since 2003, you have been failing to make good LEDs. So I decided I'd go back into my truck and actually turn on my night lights here. And sure enough, the one side is no brighter than my halogen night lights. That is sad. D-LUMINA claims that they are the best in automotive light. I think the typo should say it all. They made a mistake. They are the worst LED reverse lights I have ever put into this truck. And probably always will be. I think next time we're gonna try the aux beam ones. I don't know how they're gonna do, but if those don't work, I'm gonna throw in a tried and true brand, the GTR Ultra reverse lights, if I can find some that'll fit this truck. But these failed. Trash.